So what you can also easily do is create out ad scripts, which are AI-based script generators that generates out the scripts for you just by typing in a few words. So over here to do that, you can see that I'm in the home page, and now what I'm going to do is click on add script over here. Once you do that, what happens is that the ad script page opens up, and now what you can do is you can describe your product. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, welcome to educational world right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say this, or maybe I'm going to go around and say travel and tourism hub right here, because I have more travel videos. So now I'm going to go around and say, join our travel packages for exciting experience in low cost. So let's say this is my main slogan right here. So now all you need to do is click on generate, and what happens is that AI will find inspirations and then will make a script for you, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So there's like 3 parts. It generated out script 1, 2, 3, 4 and so forth right here, and you can also go around and then let's say, for example, change it right here. So this it says this platform allows you to look for amazing trips at unbeatable prices and so forth, as you can see right here. So I'm a huge fan of travel and tourism clubs. I'm just going to go around and say welcome to travel and tourism hub. It's so easy to use, and there's ton of different options available, and the platform allows you and so forth. So let's say I want to use this script right here. So now it gives you these 3 parts right here, and what you can do is you can add in media for each part right here. So I can go around and click on the first part right here and choose from the cloud or upload it to the project. So I'm just going to go around and select out this one right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to press the plus button right here and plus button right here and continue. And what happens is that it'll get added over here. So these are the 2 clips right here. So similarly, I can go around and add in, let's say, for example, this one and then this one right here. Click on continue right here, just like this. And then I can go around and click on this one again and then add in this one. And let's say, for example, this one right here, just like this. Click on continue over here. And now over here, you'll be able to see that it has generated a video already. And this is a TikTok preview, so it's vertical right here. So if I were to press the play button.
Welcome to Travel and Tourism Hub. It's so easy to use, and there's tons of different options available. This platform.
So you can see that it has actually generated out the script right here. So what you can also do is you can go for the original view right here if you want more of a full screen option right here. So this is more better if you want to upload out contents to YouTube. So I'm going to go around over here and click on open multi-track editor now. So what happens is that all of the video clips are arranged out in that order and is brought in right here, just like this, as you can see. So for each of the text right here, you can see that it generated out a text right here, and along with the audio right here. So you can go around and readjust these video clips out right here as per how you like. So you can go around and resize this, as you can see, just like this, to the length that you want. So let's just go around and resize this. And what happens is that I can just go around and then let's resize this out right here, and you have a video ready, as you can see right here.
Welcome to Travel and Tourism Hub. It's so easy to use, and there's tons of different options available. This platform.
So what you can do now is you can go around and add in background music and make this into a project, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the AI ad script option inside of CapCut to generate out ad scripts in CapCut. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.